Okay, so can you just tell us about yourself, like your name, where you're from, and your age?
My name is Nicole. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Vaughan in Ontario.
So my name is Ella, and I'm from Richmond Hill, from a school called Christ the King, and I'm in grade 8, going to grade 9.
My name is Hugo. I'm going to grade 8, and I'm from here in Ottawa.
My name is Hasrat. I'm from Brampton, and I'm 12 years old.
I'm right now Dev Katir, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I'm just finished 8th grade and going to high school in August.
My name is Shashank. I'm from Brampton, Ontario, and my age is 10.
My name is Nuha. I'm from India and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Anmol and I'm grade 4 and I'm from Brampton, Ontario.
My name is Abner. I'm from Ottawa, Ontario, and I'm in grade 4.
My name is Ravon and I'm 11 years old, going into grade 6.
I'm Zane. I'm from Terminal School and I'm going into grade 9.
I'm from Kitchener, Ontario. My name is Jaden Murray Daren, and I love to play basketball and spell.